Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Robinhood crypto wallet. First, open the Robinhood application on your mobile device. Navigate to the crypto section, usually found on the home screen or through the menu. Ensure your account is fully verified and eligible for crypto trading. Then, locate the Wallets or Crypto tab within the app. You will then initiate the wallet setup process by following the clear, on-screen prompts. This initial step is crucial for accessing your digital assets. Next, you will complete any necessary identity verification steps to gain full access to crypto features. It is highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced account security. This adds an extra layer of protection. Take a moment to understand the robust security measures Robinhood employs to safeguard your digital assets. Finally, carefully review the terms and conditions associated with using your crypto wallet to ensure you are fully informed. Now, let's talk about funding your wallet. You can deposit funds into your Robinhood account using linked bank accounts, typically within 3 to 5 business days. Once funded, you can purchase various cryptocurrencies directly within the app. After purchasing, you can transfer supported cryptocurrencies to your dedicated Robinhood crypto wallet. Be aware of any minimum or maximum transfer limits that may apply to ensure smooth transactions. Finally, let's discuss managing your new crypto wallet. You can now send and receive supported cryptocurrencies to and from external wallets. Easily monitor your crypto holdings and review your complete transaction history directly within the Robinhood application. It's important to understand any associated fees for crypto transactions and transfers. Familiarize yourself with the specific cryptocurrencies currently supported for wallet use to maximize your experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.